So these are the docking lights that came with our motorhome. They're the factory lights. I believe they're model number H9406 Halogen, and these are GE brand. I had a couple of them that were out. Started looking for replacements. Most places I looked, they were out of stock, didn't have them. I did find a couple of places ranging from like 20 something to 30 something, and I found some used ones on eBay. I really didn't want to chance that. So started trying to find a LED uh, light that I could use, and did a lot of searching. Found these here that's pretty close to the same size, but they don't look, if you install them as they are, you can see how they look here. Didn't really like it looking like that, so wanted to make it look factory or back to original. So I took the old halogen bulbs, got my heat gun, and I heated them up. And you can pop that front lens off after you get the glue softened up. Now this is probably pretty dangerous. I wouldn't recommend anybody doing it unless you're very careful. There's a lot of things go wrong there, but just make sure if you do it, you're safe and do it at your own risk. So once I got the glue softened up, I was able to pop the front glass cover off, and I'll use it as my cover and my bezel to cover up the LED lights. So here I am putting it back together. As you can tell, it looks factory. Other than if you look at it just right, you can see the 6 LED lights behind it. This is the original lights. Pretty bright, pretty bright. And this is the LED lights. Really bright. More of a white light. Lights up the area pretty well.